Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Delphi Signal. We are here at Delphi, not only doing a weekly recap, but also the monthly recap as well, since February has just ended, and going to show everyone here why nobody's doing what we are doing here at Delphi. Okay, so as we've talked about in the past um, you know, access to the Delphi signal also gets you access to our Discord, or what we call the Delphi room. Okay. So we're going to get into the Delphi room now on our Discord to kind of go over a bunch of things and show you what an amazing, not only week, but just an incredible month we've had here at Delphi. Okay. So getting into our Discord before anything, we post all our trades in Discord. Okay, all our trades are documented, they're journalized, which we'll show you guys. But again, there's no beating around the bush. The proof is in the pudding. And no matter what trading channel you are going to, all the trades are posted and documented. Okay, so in this case, we are in the Delphi signal trades. These trades are coming strictly off the Delphi signal. Okay, so they are posted here. We can even see, some recent ones here on Hershey that we entered at $2, and literally not even hours later, we closed the trade at trade was closed at 455. Taking profits on the way up. We even hit our targets fairly quickly here at 3 and 520. So again, you can see all our trades are posted here. Here's Akamai, a trade we took, and they're all updated here. Okay. So you can see even GoDaddy, there were targets hit when we took money out. So again, all our trades are posted on our Discord channels. Okay. We have a channel for non-Delphi signal trades that are posted here. You can see trades are posted and updated. These NVIDIAs we will show in a little bit. We bought at $1.20. We trimmed at 230 and, finally closed them out at 350. Okay. Lee was another one. This was an overnight trade we took at $1.34. We closed the next morning at 250. Okay. Coin 360. We got out. We entered at 130. So we're doing amazing things here again at Delphi that nobody's doing. And again, all our trades are posted. Even Leviathan, who's just does incredible stuff in our day trades, and crypto lever trades. You can see here, not only is he posting the trades in our channel, but he's also taking screenshots of his account. He takes every trade that he posts in his day trade room and in his crypto trading channel as well. So you can see here, all the trades are posted. Okay. So, now that that's out of the way, moving on, we have our week in review here. So you can see just incredible stuff we did last week alone, 176%. That sounds crazy and hard to believe, but it's not. That's what we're doing here. 23 trades were winners, 5 were losers. Crazy profit factor. Okay. And again, all the trades are posted here. You can see the ones we were talking about. Hershey trade we took, 94%. Okay, other ones, XYZ a trade we took 14%. Okay, Lee, here's the Lee trade we're looking at, 85%. Again, got in at 135, sold at 250. Coin, there's the coin trade, 93%. In at 130, out at 360. The NVIDIA trade we took off UOA, which we will talk about, 115, almost 116%. Okay, 120 in, out of 350. That was overnight. So again, all our trades are posted here in our Discord, in our week in review, our monthly. Just no words for this, simply incredible. Look at this monthly return, almost 400%. Simply incredible what we're doing here. 56 winners, only 18 losers. Look at the profit factor. Okay. So just an incredible month here at Delphi. No words on what we're doing here. Okay. And we're not just about putting trades out. We have, many, many other things here. We have UOA channel. Okay. Where again, so we get some of our trades. We'll talk about these SPY 0DTEs that we traded and posted in our trade channel. Okay. Again, NVIDIA, here are the NVIDIA UOAs that we followed. Okay. We followed those and then we just showed you how those did. So we're just not all about trades. We have UOA channel. We have educational channels. We even have channels that are market sentiment indicators or other indicators that we use. Okay. Nobody's doing this. We can guarantee you. Okay. This is the cycle line we've been talking about to our community. Okay. In over 2 years, this has only been wrong once. Okay. And you can see we updated the cycle line. Okay. We updated this. We told our community, hey, we're going to be buying puts up here near the cycle line as the markets get closer. We have a strong feeling that it will reverse like it did back here when we crushed puts for our community back at the past cycle line. So we were alerting the community, hey, if you don't want to take puts, if you don't like taking puts, then do nothing. You do not want to take calls up here, okay? And this worked out just incredibly well. We took trades. We had many different index puts, which we'll get to. But again, nobody is doing what we are doing here at Delphi, okay? And even going now, if we want to look at the, go to the chart now to see what exactly, we did with that. Here we go. Look at what the indexes did here. Okay, again, they came up to the cycle line. We warned our community. We took puts and look at this, what happened. No words for what happened here. Target after target was hit. Okay, we can see here, SPY target, open gap target hit. That was from 612 SPY down to 585. Okay, that is simply incredible. But again, open gap target hit on the SPY. Why? Because we were looking at the cycle line. Nobody is doing this, but we're doing it here at Delphi. And this resulted into major put gains on the SPY, IWM, Qs, which we'll show you guys. But, again, here, the Qs up to the cycle line, another 500 target hit. We were targeting the past lows here. So again, Q's target hit. Okay, again, off the cycle line, IWM. Okay, which again, we shorted this area up here at the cycle line and target was hit on IWM. You were targeting these lows. Okay, now, there is another pattern here at play and we are still in IWM puts. So that's the other thing we're doing here. We're identifying patterns. We're putting out daily charts in our chart channel, okay? Identifying patterns, support, resistance. We're more than just putting out trade alerts here. We are doing way more things here, okay? Speaking of patterns, we had trades on Tesla. Okay, look at this pattern that played out beautifully. Okay, we traded this twice actually. We added puts here on the pattern break. We cashed out those puts here, then we re-entered on the short area you can see here. And look at the move down. Pattern target hit, another target hit on this Tesla pattern. Okay, we had puts here. AMD, another one. Simply incredible what happened here on AMD when we identified this head and shoulders pattern on AMD. Okay, we added puts twice that you can see here. Okay, we bought puts here on the pattern break. We cashed them out here. Okay, at this kind of support level. We were looking for a pattern retest. We shorted again here. And again, look what happened. Pattern target hit. No words for this, what we're doing here again at Delphi. Okay, and so how did this translate into making money for our community? Well, here you go. Here's our journal for February, just filtering out the index puts we had, Tesla puts we had off the pattern, and AMD puts we had off the pattern. Look at that number here. Okay, that is just off of those trades, 15 and 1. Okay, and that one was probably a roll that we did. Look at the profit factor. Okay, simply incredible. So again, what we're doing here translates into profitable trades for, our community. Okay, and again, look at these trades. Again, these were filtered. Okay, SPY trade 88%. There's the lone loser, 74%. AMD off the pattern 73%. SPY again 6%. Tesla off the pattern 82%. SPY again 105%. Q's 43%. SPY 160%. 57%. Okay, so you can see here what is going on, what we're doing here. And again, all our trades are journalized, okay, and posted. So looking into some of the trades we took, especially off our UOA, the UOA, there's no words, just simply incredible what the UOA channel, which stands for Unusual Option Activity, has resulted here, okay? And again, a lot of these were high conviction trades, maybe index puts, UOAs that we followed because we like the charts, which we'll get to. But again, you can see here, okay, these were IWM puts we took off the UOA. We posted at 42, closed at 534, okay, complete rocket ship. No words for what these did on IWM, okay? Moving on, here's the SPY 0 DTEs we just talked about in the trade channel that we posted. You can see here, we followed the SPY 0 DTEs, the UOAs. We got in at $1, obviously extremely high risk, okay? We don't normally take these, but because of what we were looking at on the charts, which looked very bearish at the time, we decided to take these. And I mean, you can see what happened here. Again, no words, okay? Complete rocket ship. 133, they were posted. Remember, we got into the $1, so we got in under the UOA, and look where they closed at. Again, no words for what happened here. Just incredible stuff, right? Nobody's doing this anywhere, okay? The other NVIDIA trade we took, you can see here again, NVIDIA UOA was posted at $1.20 off these 115 puts. Okay, we showed you guys again that trade in our trade channel. Look what happened to these again. We got in at $1.20. We closed them out the very next day at $3.50. Okay, so simply incredible. Okay, you can see that here it is. Again on the chart, got in at $1.20. We cashed out here at $3.50 the very next day on these NVIDIA puts. Okay, and just going through the list. Sometimes we look at the UOA, and if the chart matches up, we oftentimes take a trade. And look what here. Somebody came in and bought these PDD calls at $1.20. Okay. So, what happened there? We took a trade. And we'll show you why we took a trade. You can see here, those AMD off the pattern in some other AMD trades we took. We cashed some AMD puts out, and then what did we do? We entered PDD UOA from the other day. Remember, those were over $1. We got in at 80 cents. So waiting actually saved us some money on that entry, but it really didn't matter because what we're going to show you again is just incredible stuff. Again, so we got in those at 80 cents. Why did we get in those at 80 cents? Because when we looked at the chart, we identified this cup and handle pattern breakout. Okay, and again, we posted this in our Delphi charts channel, which a lot of our charts go there. Okay, so again, nobody's doing this anywhere on any platform. Okay, and again, you can see we identified the PDD breakout. We took that trade. We followed the UOA, And look what happened. This was an overnight trade. Okay. Remember, we got in at 80 cents. Look at this. We cashed out at 380 the very next day for our community. Okay. And we know a lot of people took these trades. Okay. You'll see in our testimonials that a lot of people took the trades. But again, simply incredible stuff. Following the EOA, following our chart analysis, we scored a monster hit on these calls. Okay. And again, just moving on. SMCI. Look at this. Somebody came in and bought SMCI calls, almost 11,000. There was a ton of UOA actually this week in SMCI, but you can see someone came in and bought these at $1.81. Well, what did those do? Again, no words, complete rocket ship straight up. Look at this, 181. They got as high as 915. Okay. So again, just doing amazing things off the UOA channel in our community. And again, nobody's doing this. We can guarantee you that. Okay. Nobody's doing this. There are companies that post option flows, but nobody is parsing the relevant ones that are tradable. Okay. So just doing amazing things here at Delphi. But that was not the craziest, okay? This was just simply, again, no words for this. We started seeing MicroStrategy calls coming through on this day, okay? Someone came in, they bought 4,300. You could see they bought the 345, 385 calls. Someone else, they added to those here, 7,500 more. So we started seeing a lot of activity in MicroStrategy, okay? Again, look at these. These were lottos that came through. Somebody bought 10,000. These were 0 DTEs at 12 cents. So again, we were seeing a lot of crazy activity in MicroStrategy. So what did that mean? Well, that meant us taking some trades, okay? You can see here, after we bought some coin calls that we showed you we did really well on, we added these MicroStrategy 335 calls at 70 cents. We added those 0 DTE allows at 7 cents. We bought more at 42 cents of the 335s, okay? So we started buying puts and placing trades out on MicroStrategy, okay? You can see here, already swapped out some of those lottos at $1.20 and added 375 calls at $1.25, almost an even swap. Okay, for next week, we wanted to get some more time, which it didn't matter because we ended up closing all of these the same day for just incredible gains, which we'll show you. But again, we bought these 375 calls off of cashing out some of the lottos we took. Again, all of these trades are posted and journalized. Well, look what happened. Just no words again, simply incredible. These lottos we bought at 7 cents got as high as 40 cents. Okay, now we trimmed on the way up. I believe we got out at 30, 35 cents, but still, look at the gain on that. Just, I mean, incredible. No words for those 355 lottos on MicroStrategy. Okay, look at these 375 calls we took. Okay, again, no words. Simply incredible. We traded these at, 125. We cashed out at 430. I mean, you have to take those gains. And this was in less than half a day, okay? And again, we'll see here that all of our trades, whether we're getting in or getting out, are posted in our Discord. Again, closed out the MicroStrategies at 430. Okay, simply incredible. But, those weren't the absolute craziest, okay? These here, for now, have been the trade of the year, okay? Definitely the trade of the month. Again, the MicroStrategy 355, the 335s you could see here that we took. Okay, remember, we entered those, cost averaged in at 55 cents. Okay, look at where these went. Just incredible, right? Complete rocket ship straight up. $10 they hit. Same day. Remember, 55 cents, they hit $10. So, again, just doing just incredible stuff here that nobody's doing at, at Delphi. So, what does this mean? What does this mean for our community? Going back to our Discord, okay, if we look at what's going on in our community, no words for this. And this is why we are here. We're here for our community. And that's it. There's no other way around it. Okay. You can see your people just taking trades that we're posting. Veta took some Nvidia. She made 50% in a couple days. Just people are just posting across incredible stuff. Big Win Willie, off some Delphi trades, did really well. Green MG, 46, 16%. Chems and DEC off the Delphi signal. Jesse, 83%, doing well. Again, Green MD off the Delphi signal. Had a bunch of amazing trades. People started taking the index puts that we were taking, again, translating into our community. Just incredible stuff here off of what we're posting off of the cycle line. Incredible stuff here. Again, Big Win Willie's been killing it. Look at these gains on coin that he did and that he posted. Amazing stuff here. Look at Steven here. Look what he did here. Remember those MSTR lottos. Look at this. He got in those MSTR lottos, not even the lottos, the 375s. And before he knew it, he cashed out for a 70% profit. Okay. Just incredible stuff. And again, this is why we are here for our community. Again, Big Win Willie posting winners. Okay. Jesse, again, taking advantage of our analysis and the cycle line with, SPY puts. Look at those 3 winners right there for Jesse. Okay. Green MG again, overnight 80% and 60% MSTR on coin and MSTR. Simply incredible. So again, this is what we do here at Delphi. Nobody's doing what we're doing. So, please, if you enjoyed this video, enjoying the stuff we're putting out here on our YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, and, follow us, like us, because we are just getting started here. Nobody's doing what we're doing. We can guarantee you that. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed this weekly and monthly recap of the amazing things we're doing here. And again, like we said, we are just getting started. So, again, please subscribe and hope you enjoyed this, and we'll talk to you again soon. Take care.